Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make veggie fritters. This meal is vegan and vegetarian friendly. It's super easy to make because it doesn't require a lot of prepping and it is delicious. So let's get to it. The ingredients that you will need are a 3/4 cup of chickpea flour, also known as garbanzo bean flour, a 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a dash of pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped red onion, 3/4 cup of chopped red pepper, 3/4 cup of corn, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and vegetable oil. Start by mixing all of your dry ingredients. I'm gonna add my chickpea flour, cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, salt, a dash of pepper, and now add your water. Whisk it until there are no more clumps inside. After you're done, it should look something like pancake mix. Now fold in your vegetables, my corn, the onion. By the way, you don't have to use a purple onion. You can definitely use a yellow onion. I have tried this recipe with a yellow onion and it still tastes just as good. Now my red bell pepper. Same goes with the bell pepper. If you don't want to use a red one, you can definitely use a green one, a yellow one, or the orange one. And the recipe is still just as good. Just keep stirring it around. Now I'm gonna add some parsley inside. That is good. It should look like this. Okay. Now go ahead and heat up your stove. Start by heating your pan on medium-high heat. You add enough vegetable oil to cover the pan. Only coat the pan. This is a shallow fry, not a deep fry. So just enough to coat it. Let your pan heat up. Wait a few minutes and then test the oil by dropping a few drops of water into the pan. The oil is ready. So take your fritter mix, about a spoonful, and put it inside the batter. It will stick together. Make sure you keep it off like this. This mix will get you about 8 to 10 fritters. Cook the fritter until they're brown. You should be able to lift the fritter easily when it's ready, and then you will flip the fritter onto the other side. Your fritter should stick together. You see how it's all one. Give it about a minute, but make sure you're watching the pan to make sure that the fritters are browning on the side. Let's flip it. Let's flip. Oh, it's a nice brown color for the fritter. Now we will let that side cook for about a minute and a half. Also, I turned my pan down to medium heat. Let's see if this side is ready. Yep, they're about ready. I'll give them about 30 more seconds. That side is brown. That is it. I'm gonna take it out, put it onto my plate. You can pair this meal with some fries or some sweet potato fries or pretty much any side that you want to pair it with. But a must try is this Chipotle ranch. This ranch is not vegan, so all those vegans out there, I think you will have to go find your own Chipotle ranch. But for those people who can eat dairy, this is definitely good to pair this with this fritter. I hope that you all enjoy this meal as much as me and my family do. I sometimes prepare all my dry ingredients, so that way whenever I'm ready to make a quick meal, all I do is add all my vegetables, and that is it. Also, you can find the chickpea flour at Kroger's. I've never seen it at Meijer's, but definitely I purchased mine from Kroger's. And that is it for today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.